Hello crypto enthusiasts, welcome back to Kryptovan Universe, the YouTube channel where we break down complex cryptocurrency concepts with analogies and stories. Today we are diving into the intriguing world of Bitcoin halving and what to expect in the upcoming event around 2024. But before we continue, let me give you a fair warning, there might be a tiny spoiler alert ahead, just like in Marvel's Endgame. In Endgame, Thanos sought to collect all the Infinity Stones for the infamous Infinity Gauntlet. His ultimate desire was to snap his fingers and reduce half the population. His belief was that a smaller population would lead to a better, happier world with less competition. Now, while we don't condone Thanos' methods, we can draw a parallel to a significant event in the world of Bitcoin. Bitcoin halving is an event that occurs approximately every 4 years. It's a fundamental aspect of how Bitcoin functions. Now, assuming you already know what Bitcoin is and how it works as a cryptocurrency, let's dive into the specific details of Bitcoin halving. In the early days of Bitcoin, when miners solved the complex mathematical problems, they were rewarded with 25 Bitcoins for each block added to the blockchain. From 2012 to 2016, the reward was 25 Bitcoins. Then, from 2016 to 2020, it was halved to 12.5 Bitcoins per block. And now, from 2020 through 2024, the reward stands at 6 Bitcoins per block. The fascinating part is that after 2024, the reward will be reduced by half again to 3 Bitcoins per block. To understand Bitcoin halving, let's draw a parallel with fiat currencies. In the real world, governments often print more money than needed, leading to something called inflation. Inflation causes the value of currency to decrease over time. Bitcoin's halving mechanism is precisely the opposite. It ensures a controlled and limited supply of new Bitcoins, making it a deflationary asset. Now that we've grasped the basics of Bitcoin halving, let's explore its implications and why it's an essential event in the world of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin halving reduces the rate at which new Bitcoins enter the market, making them scarce over time. As demand for Bitcoin continues to grow, the fixed supply creates an interesting dynamic. Basic economics teaches us that when demand increases and supply decreases, the value of the asset tends to rise. Historically, Bitcoin halving has been associated with significant price movements. While it's not a guaranteed predictor of future price actions, past halvings have been followed by remarkable bull runs. This event often captures the attention of traders and investors worldwide. From a miner's perspective, halving can be both a challenge and an opportunity. While the reward per block decreases, the reduced supply can potentially drive the price of Bitcoin higher. Miners must adapt to this changing landscape and find ways to remain profitable. And there you have it, now you know what Bitcoin halving is, why it happens and what to expect from the upcoming halving event in 2024. This event is a crucial aspect of Bitcoin's monetary policy, ensuring its scarcity and long-term value. As always, remember that investing in cryptocurrencies carries risks and it's essential to do your own research before making any financial decisions. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. We love hearing from our community. Until next time, happy halving and may your crypto journey be filled with success.